Tonight, a federal judge throwing out both criminal cases against two of President Trump's biggest political foes. The cases against former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James have both been tossed out. And tonight here, the reason why. Here's our Chief Justice correspondent, Pierre Thomas now.
Tonight, a federal judge dismissing the Justice Department's cases against two of President Trump's political enemies, former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James, ruling the president's hand-picked prosecutor, who oversaw both cases, had no lawful authority to present the indictments.
I'm grateful that the court ended the case against me, which was a prosecution based on malevolence and incompetence.
James saying, "I remain fearless in the face of these baseless charges as I continue fighting for New Yorkers." Judge Cameron Curry finding the prosecutor Linsey Halligan was not an attorney authorized by law to conduct grand jury proceedings. Halligan, an insurance lawyer who had never prosecuted a criminal case, was a White House aide when Trump named her acting U.S. attorney to, quote, get things moving, after he publicly urged Attorney General Pam Bondi to go after Comey and James.
We have to act fast.
Halligan took over after Trump forced out her predecessor,
Hi, can you speak on your nomination today?
who had determined there was not enough evidence to bring charges against either Comey or James. But today, the judge ruling Halligan's appointment was unlawful because she was replacing another interim U.S. attorney, saying any other decision would mean the government could send any private citizen off the street, attorney or not, into the grand jury room to secure an indictment, so as long as the attorney general gives her approval after the fact. That cannot be the law.
We'll be taking all available legal action, including an immediate appeal.
Comey says the stakes couldn't be higher.
The message has to be sent that the President of the United States cannot use the Department of Justice to target his political enemies. You have to see that as fundamentally un-American and a threat to the rule of law that keeps all of us free.
DOJ vowing to appeal the case, but tonight the judge suggesting that the Justice Department may not be able to pursue the same charges against Comey because the statute of limitations for those charges has run out and the indictment is now void. David?
Pierre Thomas live in Washington. Pierre, thank you.